3 days after the storm stopped and the big cleanup is still underway. The snow and slush still causing major problems in several neighborhoods, even though the plows have been out in force. Sanitation crews plowed 7.25 million tons of snow so far. That's enough to fill Yankee Stadium up to 66 times, or enough to fill the Empire State Building 24 times. We have after the storm team coverage and the warm-up that could bring extra water our way. Let's start with Dick Brennan live in the Mobile Weather Lab in Middle Village, Queens. Dick?
Yeah, we're on 78th Street in Middle Village. We can tell you, Chris, that we've seen plows, we've seen front loaders, back loaders, you name it. They've been all across these streets in the last couple of hours, and they've been getting to the blacktop of these streets, which previously had a lot of snow in them. But that doesn't mean necessarily that the people here are thrilled with the sanitation department.
As you look down the block, you can see the pile of snow. That street was never plowed till about maybe this morning.
Balder Tried Trimmel wants to know where the sanitation department has been. He and other residents, they've had it up to here.
They should have done it quicker. Quicker. For 3 days, this is a 4-day almost, we stay prisoner in the house.
Prisoners.
Yeah, we are prisoner at home.
We always neglected. It's not the first time that Queens is behind the 8 ball.
I put the question to Sanitation Commissioner Catherine Garcia. What do you say to these people who say once again Queens is the forgotten borough?
So that hasn't been my experience, to be quite honest with you. All of the storms that I did last year, some of which Queens got hit very hard, 12 inches of snow, I never heard that people felt like they were forgotten, because we don't ever forget anybody.
Garcia says this time Queens got really clobbered, and its small streets do present unique challenges. The department has to literally take the snow off the streets and bring them to melters, which are stationed around the city.
The machine behind us acts as almost like a giant hot tub. It doesn't have to get very hot. It gets between 40 and 50 degrees, and then it will melt about 60 tons of snow an hour.
But even when the snow gets hauled away, there are the little infuriating things.
The worst part is shoveling out the spot, and then someone takes it.
Someone took your spot?
Yeah.
But Anthony Torres says he will get even.
Yeah, we made it for this house. That's it. You shovel it, you leave, I'm taking it.
It's war out here, and you can see a lot of people have had to shovel out their spots and sort of take that territory they hope for the next few days. You can see a woman down the block still working here. We can tell you the next thing people are worried about is if it rains, as we may be getting rain, would this start flooding? But for now, there at least is a sense of relief that the roads are clear here. We're live in Middle Village. Dick Brennan, CBS 2 News.
All right, Dick.